Hello friends, I am Chinmay Chagga and I study in class 5. I study in BCM Shastrinagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. So today I am going to do the certification for Google Docs Advanced. So we have to research on a given topic on the net, which is any topic. We need to create a document, draft and rough project, layout or design the actual project, which should be 1 or 2 pages. So let us start. My topic is a menu card. A menu card is the first thing a customer sees when they come into a restaurant and the last thing they look at before they order. Planning for a menu card, choosing menu options, pricing the menu, take a rough draft, and the final layout. So the menu card here. Choosing menu options here, pricing the menu, here the rough draft, here the final layout. Choose your restaurant's concept, decide what your menu items will be, add few high-end or specialty items, offer some house favorites, create names for the items on your menu, write down all your menu items in the spreadsheet. Now of pricing the menu, create names for the item on your menu, write down all your menu items in the spreadsheet, adjust menu prices to maximize your profits, calculate your gross margin and markup percentage. So the rough draft. Take pictures of the food yourself to create an appetizing menu. Browse menu templates to get ideas. Choose a color scheme that matches the style of the restaurant. Look over a rough draft, look over a rough design in the final layout and ask for people's opinions. We're talking about final layout, okay? So determine how many menus you need based on the number of seats. Proofread the menu before printing. Proofread the menu before printing and print the menu with a high quality printer. Bind or package your menus. So this is the final menu. You can see this is the menu of Bombay Express. So this is this is the second page of the menu, and that's over. So now I'll tell you how I made my document. Firstly, I added header and taken the font as Indie Flower in all the document, and here I taken the size as 60. Here I added the page borders. Here I added the page borders by clicking on table, insert table, taken one and put here as a page border. Here I typed as the same as font Indie Flower, but the size was 24. I taken the background as dark green. So here as photo I written here Chinmay Chagga as I have made it. Here I added tables by clicking on tables, insert table, 4 into 4 equal to 16. So I got these 4. Then here, as the same I done the page break, just here it was saved. At the final value I typed and taken the font size as 60, color font as the flower, and this I clicked the photo and I taken it from Gmail as I had uploaded it from the computer. By clicking on I uploaded this photo by clicking on insert image upload from computer, and here comes same as here. I clicked on insert image upload from computer and I got this one and I taken this one. I had taken this one, and so I got this page of the menu card. So let's recap. We can use shapes, word arts, quick styles or tables. I have used only tables because I was doing time. So use proper indentation, alignments, formatting, bullets. Use proper indentation, alignments, formatting, bullets and numbering. Add watermarks, image, etc. Use page border, page color, layout, header, footer, etc. So I have done all the things. So that's all from my side. Chirvichaga signing off. Bye.